I'm so excited. I'm picking up the Hornet right now from Leelanau Performance. They installed the ControlFreak 4-link and ControlFreak subframe connectors. I've seen some pictures of it, but obviously I haven't seen it in person yet. I've got a trailer here from our buddy Jeff Stolowski, so thank you to him. And yeah, I guess here we go. Let's check this thing out. Oh, someday it will be. Looks so good. Nice. Thank you. So there's no coilovers in it right now. There's just a bar because Viking coilovers haven't shipped yet, but that's why it sits so high. But it looks so good though. Good. I gotta get one more. So pretty. So pretty. Straps are tight. Car is loaded. Ready to get back to the building and unload it. All right, back at the shed. I forgot how massive this trailer is. I think it's 28 feet. Gotta move cars around here. All the snow melted. That's awesome. Back the trailer up as close as I can here. See how much I can get onto the trailer, and then if I need to, I'll push it with the car with the golf cart, I guess. Gotta get it the rest of the way onto the lift. So, a little bit of an angle, but all things considered, looking pretty good. Can't believe that worked as well as it has so far. All right, plan here. I'm gonna use this 4x4 between here and there, just kind of nudge it up onto there because I weigh 140 pounds and I can't envision a world where I have the muscle or strength to push this thing up this ramp. So hopefully I don't damage anything, but it already is damaged, so I guess there's not a whole lot to worry about. This is working. I always say it's only dumb if it doesn't work. And that worked, although I am a little bit off the lift. I'll probably pull it forward and then push it back on. Just give it that time, and I don't want it to be all cocked. Everybody wants to have that sweet bar. The wheel is still really far back in the wheel well. I don't know why that is. It looks like we've got, as Ryan at TRF said, about a ½ inch we can bring it forward, which will help. If that doesn't make it perfect, I might have them shorten those bars. I don't know. I just really want the wheel centered in the wheel well because I feel like it looks goofy otherwise. All right, so here's the story. 4-link is installed. I do not have the coilovers yet. I guess Viking was out of stock or something. So they are drop shipping those to me directly, and then I'll obviously just put them on when I get them. So the reason the car sits so high is because we just have these bars holding it up right now. Once I get the coilovers, I can adjust the height much lower than it is now, but the floor length looks fantastic. I just had them prime it. I'm gonna paint the whole bottom side of the car at some point soon once I get the brake lines and everything off. Here are the subframe connectors. There weren't really any instructions for them, just sort of some rough diagrams, but basically they tie the back part, or I mean the front part of the unibody to the back part. They said that they've gusseted these, so this is not part of the kit. Leelanau Performance added that, but it looks friggin' fantastic. The welds are all beautiful. So that's what that looks like. Can't wait to start tearing this thing apart. My next step is gonna be to pull all of the front suspension off, the steering and all of that kind of junk, so that I can clean it up, suspend the engine obviously with like a 4x4 across the shock towers, get rid of all of this stuff, and then paint it. Then I can start installing the ControlFreak front stuff. So right now, most of that's getting powder coated. Not sure why I didn't take those to powder coat, but whatever. The steering rack is right there. So this thing is gonna take a lot of work, but it's definitely getting closer, I should say. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, more to come.